Clay from a frog stream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. Well, a little slippery out here. I gotta go out here and get this plow on because it's supposed to snow tonight. Check it out, all this ice down here. Don't think I'm gonna be able to get these doors open. Oh, it's cracking. As I'm doing this, I was away on a wonderful trip last week with my family. We had such a great time, spent quality time together. I was able to unplug, put my phone down, detach from social media, and just enjoyed my family. Well, you know, it really got me thinking about the things that we create and the things that we get to do for people, and I get to go outside every evening. Not so much in the wintertime though, because it's not so nice out there, but I get to go outside every evening, sit by my pond, watch my fish swim around, watch my kids play in the yard, and it's a great time for me to just disconnect. We live in a world where cell phones and technology have made it so that we have to go. But it's really good to just disconnect from it all. And I love the fact that we get to create these spaces for our customers and our clients. Oh yeah. Got it open. Look at all that ice. It's crazy. Alright, so I don't plow. I did plow for a little while. I had to stop. I just actually wanted to stop because it's really not fun. So I just got to get this baby on for the snow tomorrow. So, with all that being said, I just have to say thank you. Thank you to everyone that has allowed us to create these staycations for you. A place for you to go, for you to disconnect, for you to unwind, enjoy your home, and literally unplug and enjoy your families. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. Thank you to everyone, and don't forget, you're not gonna forget, are you? If this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please click the link that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your question, submit your photos, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit, and you too can get your free AFD apparel. Thanks a lot for listening, everyone, and have a wonderful week.